Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited because it's another skincare video. You know how much I love skincare. So I'm getting ready for bed. So I want to show you a really cool new brand. It's all natural and I know you guys love all natural brands as much as I do, especially when it comes to skincare, because it's super important to take care of your face, because no matter how much makeup you have on, if your outer layer doesn't look good, it ain't happening. Makeup will not look good. It will just make you look worse. The company that I teamed up with is called Bellus Skincare, and I will link it in the description if you guys want to check it out. I know I have lots of viewers that are all vegan, all natural, so this would be perfect for you. I always sleep with an eye mask, but how cute is this? This one's from Bellus and it says Beauty Queen. Makes me feel good. First up here is their Rose Facial Cleansing Oil. I love the top. It can click open and shut, so it's nice and easy if you want to bring it with you to travel. So this cleansing oil is amazing because it is not only going to clean your face and really get rid of impurities, it's also going to break down your makeup. I love washing my face when I have a lot of makeup on. You guys see me talk about it all the time, is using a good oil that will really break down that makeup, because a lot of the time if you don't, you'll think you're washing your face, but there's still a lot left on your face that didn't break down, because let's be honest, makeup is thick no matter what kind it is. If it's like a CC cream, whatever, like it's way thicker than you expect, and there's always going to be particles left on your skin that you don't even realize. So I definitely think it's very important to use a good strong oil that's going to break down that makeup. What's really great about this product too, with it being all natural, is that it's very gentle on your skin. A lot of time when you're working with a cleanser that's not all natural, you're going to strip your skin of your natural oils that you actually want to have. That's what's going to keep your skin nice and elastic, and it's going to keep a lot of the collagen in there, and it's going to keep you from wrinkling. So that's what I love about this brand. It's going to really dig deep. It's not going to clog your pores, but it is going to dig deep into your pores, and it's really going to unclog them, which is amazing. You want to keep your pores nice and clean, because that's where you get them blackheads if you don't. So it's really important to use something that is non-abrasive, which is why I love all natural products on my face. But then again, that is also really going to get the job done, and it's going to dig deep, and it's just going to really refresh your face. Also with this product, because it's an oil, it's going to moisturize your face as you're cleansing it, which is great. What's really great about this, it's so gentle on your face because it's all natural. It's an oil. It's going to help reduce redness. It's going to help reduce breakouts. You're going to clean out your pores. All the meanwhile, you're moisturizing, you're hydrating it, and you're going to leave it looking nice and plump and not dry and cracked, because it is the rose oil. I don't know if you guys have heard about it, but rose oils are really big right now. They help reduce redness, which is amazing. A lot of women get a lot of redness because of their hormones when it's that time of month. It happens a lot to women right around here, around their mouth. That's just like their hormonal areas. So the rose is really going to help reduce that redness. I'm going to show you how I use it. So here is my washcloth. How cute is it? It says makeup on it. I got it in Jamaica at my hotel. I was like, oh my God. I said to the maid, I'm like, can I please just have one? I'll pay you however much. And she was like, honey, take like 10 of them. And I was like, I love you. What you want to do is make sure it has warm water on it. And then we're just going to put some on here. And we're going to rub that baby together. And you're going to rub it on your face. So it smells really, really good. Very feminine, but it doesn't smell fragrant. You know what I mean? Like, it doesn't smell like perfumey. So you kind of just want to like rub that. Go gentle, go easy, especially around your eyeballs. Be easy on the eyeballs. That's where your skin is super, super thin. So you just like want to be really gentle. And then rub it around here. I don't have any makeup on right now, so I don't have to go like too crazy. I'm trying to give my skin a little bit of a breather. So already you can see my skin is like just looking really like dewy and glowy, and I love that. That makes me happy. And then what you want to do is go rinse it off, so I'll be right back. It feels really nice. It literally just feels like not only did I wash my face, but it literally feels like I just put moisturizer, eye cream, all of that goodness on, and literally I just use one product. That's pretty amazing. So you guys know I have the world's most chapped lips ever. So I'm excited because I'm loving their cooling lip balm. So here it is up close. It smells like a fresh mojito. It's like nice and minty. Oh my gosh, I feel so good on my lips. This feels so nice. This feels better than any chapstick, anything ever. Like, I really, really like this. I've been putting it on at night before bed, and I've been putting it on in the morning. And then what I do also is I carry this in my purse, or I feel like my lips are in so much better shape. I'm going to show you their body scrub. You guys know, if you follow me on my stories, I talk about it a lot. I talk about it on Snapchat. I have ketosis, psoriasis, or whatever on the back of my thighs. It's super annoying. It's like chicken skin. It's gross. It's, I hate it. It's embarrassing. I don't like it. It makes me look like the dirty kid. Honestly, hate it. I tried their body scrub, and I'm going to show you what I did. I'm going to show you how it works, and I'm excited about it. So again, it has no fillers, no preservatives, all natural. It smells really, really good. Like, it reminds me of a cookie, honestly. I love cookies. So using this body scrub definitely makes the world of a difference, because not only is it like removing the dead skin, which kind of, it's like a buildup for me. I get like dead skin and dead collagen, and it builds up, and then it just like kind of sticks to your body, and that's where you get like the rough bumps and stuff. This takes all of that off, and then it also moisturizes. So when you have it, after you take off all that dead skin, dead collagen, all that stuff that are creating the bumps, you want to keep it super, super hydrated, because if you don't, you're going to dry out, and then that's where your body's going to create all that dead skin that kind of just sits there. So this is key. Honestly, what's been working for me, I tried it with just water, but I actually use a little bit of this rose oil cleanser because it is very like moisturizing. I take a little bit of the scrub and I kind of just put it underneath and rub it around so it's everywhere, and then that's where I take this and I kind of just scrub the leg, get all that dead skin away. I normally do this in the shower, so I'll just take the water and like, you know, psh, psh, psh. But because I'm not in the shower, I'm gonna have to use a washcloth. And literally your legs feel so good. If you struggle with the bikini line too, like if you get red bumps, you could do the same exact thing. Again, you don't have to use the hard side. You could use the soft side, or you could just rub it with your hands and then wash it away. So here, like, you can't like ever, since I've been using this, I haven't had any of the bumps at all whatsoever. It made such a big difference. That is what I do. Normally I'll do most of it in the shower. I definitely always do this out of the shower because I like to make sure it really gets in my skin. Of course, I do the chapstick stuff out of the shower, but this is just incredible. I am just over the top excited. I'll probably never ever use anything else on the back of my thighs where I have those issues ever again. So I'm super grateful for this product and this brand. So if you guys want to check them out, I'm going to put them in the description below. And yeah, I hope this helps any of you guys out there that want to fight that chicken skin. I hope this helps you guys out there that's looking for a new, easy, simple skincare routine that isn't just like 17 steps, and something that's nice and natural. I love you guys, and make sure you check out Bellus.